Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be unboxing Boxycharm for the month of January. I actually got this like 5 days ago, and I just have not been filming because my life is crazy. Yeah, so Boxycharm is a full-size subscription service that you get every month. You get 5 to 6 full-size, sometimes deluxe-size products, and it is $21 a month. They do also offer a Boxy Luxe or Boxy Luxy, I'm not sure, I think it's Luxe box that is $50 every 3 months that you can also subscribe to. I do subscribe to that, so I do unboxes on my channel as well. But this month is not a big subscription, this is a regular size. So let's go ahead and open this. It does look like this inside, then you get all the products there. So the first thing in here I'm going to talk about is this guy here. This is the Briogeo. Okay, whatever, I hate my life. I didn't get a card. I didn't get a card, so that sucks. Yeah, okay. So I didn't get a card, so I'm not gonna know the prices of these things, but I will of course link them down below like I always do in all of my videos, but unfortunately I don't know the prices off the top of my head, and I do use my phone to film, otherwise I would look them up on there. Sorry, I'm trying to find the thing I just dropped. Got it, I'm gonna need this. Okay, so anyway, back to this. The first thing in the box is this Briogeo Resarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So, I'm not like super in love with this product, but it is nice. Weird. My Boxycharm is like moving. Oh my god, I can't handle life right now. I just dropped everything again. So let's just grab a different brow gel because I don't want to try to find that again. Look at this one. Okay, moving on. So I'm just gonna like spray this in my hair. I mean, everybody knows I definitely need a conditioning spray because my hair is crazy, but I don't know. I'm not like super in love with this one. I've used it a couple times, but I only had like a sample size, so I don't know how great it really was. It's definitely leaving my hair looking a little greasy, so that's cute for this video, but yeah, I think this is something. Spray throughout clean, damp hair with focus on mid-lengths into the hair prior to blow drying. Do not rinse out. Yeah, so your hair's supposed to be wet for that, so cute. Mine's not, but that's fine. I do like the smell of it. It smells very fresh, like lemony, but this is like a product that I've got several times in several subscription services, so it's nothing that I'm like super blown away by, but it is a good product. The next thing in here is also something that I'm not going to be trying on today. I guess technically I tried that on, but you know what I mean. And you do get two. They are by Tatcha, which is super amazing. Tatcha is so expensive and so luxury, and also cruelty free, which is awesome. These are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I love the cream, the water cream by Tatcha. That's all I've tried by Tatcha. Like I said, they're expensive, but I'm super excited to try these. I'm probably gonna try one soon, and then if I like it, I'm probably gonna save the other one till my wedding day for a long time because they are very luxurious and I'm excited. So I will definitely try those and let you know what I think. Again, I don't know prices. I'm sorry, but I didn't get a card. That really sucks. Okay, next product, and the reason why my eyebrows look terrible is because of this. This is the BDB, Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Every time something's a brow pencil and it says universal, it does scare me. That looks really light. Okay, maybe I can make that work. I don't like brow pencils. Like, I use brow powder just because that's what I'm used to, I guess. I don't know, but it does have a spoolie on the end. It does have a nice like fine tip, so we're gonna try and see if I can make this work. So I'm just gonna grab this mirror here. Ooh, my face is looking a little rough, and I just rolled that down somehow. Cool. Okay, so it's a little waxy, but I feel like I have to go over it a couple times so it's not like overly creamy, which is good. I don't want it to be like so creamy that it goes all over the place. It's a little red, my brows, I think. It's pulling a little more auburny than I would want. That's actually not terrible. I don't hate that. I'm gonna fill it in a little bit more here and kind of square it off a little bit in the front here. And I messed up. Cute. I don't know, I don't hate that. It does look a little waxy, like you can definitely tell that they're drawn on. That's why I like powder, because I feel like it looks more natural. At least when I do them. But it's not bad. You guys that are watching this are like, yeah, no, it's bad. I don't hate it. Okay, I'm gonna set it with some brow gel and see if it kind of keeps its shape or if it kind of smears it all over the place. Because I have found with some brow pencils, when I put the gel in there, it just kind of moves it and it slides all over the place. So let's see if this one does that. Okay. No, it's holding up its own against the brow gel. Definitely need to trim my brows, I'm noticing. Okay, I don't hate it. I'm gonna do the other one real quick and then we'll move on to the next product. I really, really hate that I can't tell you guys the pricing of all this stuff, because normally that's something that like I'm really good about, but I didn't look to see that I didn't have a card. Like, I looked obviously to see what I had to plan for this video, but I didn't notice I didn't get a card. I can make a drinking game out of this video and drink every time I say I didn't get a card. You're probably drunk by now. The one thing I'm not liking about this pencil so far is I feel like I'm using a lot of product. The tip is definitely already gone, and I feel like I'm definitely applying a lot, which could just be operator error, because again, I don't use brow pencils ever, but take that for what it's worth. Ooh, that's a thick brow. Okay. So I definitely made that one a little bit thick. Try to clean that up a little bit with my finger. Definitely not the technique you should probably be using, but it's what I do, so I don't care. Okay, so I don't hate it. Am I gonna use it again? Probably not. But I don't hate it for being a brow pencil. I think it's really thick. Maybe that's what I'm not loving about it. Because when I'm like brushing it through, I feel like I actually have to brush, not just kind of run it through. But yeah, there's my brows. They're looking a little rough. Okay, moving on, I don't care anymore. Let's talk about this guy. This is the palette of the month, and it is by, that's upside down. It is by Tarte. It's the Rainforest of the Sea. This is the original palette. We did get one of these, I think it was volume 2, a while back in Boxycharm. I don't have it anymore, I did declutter it. I like Tarte's formula, but I feel like if this is anything like the volume 3, which I believe it is, it's just very, I don't know how to explain it without sounding bad. It's very like neutral tones, and that's not something that I'm like super into, because I do like colors, but I love the packaging. It's super cute. And let's open it. Yeah, it's kind of boring a little bit, but there's the shades. If you're a neutral girl, you're gonna love it. I love the way these feel though. Like, they are very, very creamy, very soft. They're really pretty shadows. I just wish there was like more color in there, I guess. But yeah, there's the shadows there, some of them. I also don't really see a transition shade in here, so that could be interesting. I'm just going to go for it. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna pick up the shade Cove right here. And I'm gonna use the fluffy side of the brush, kind of swirl it around in there and just go into the crease with that. Yeah, that's not bad. It looks a little bit more shimmery in the pan, but on the lid it's not terribly shimmery, so that's good. Like, Tarte's formula is really good. I love their shadows. I want something more colorful and fun, and Tarte usually doesn't give that to me. I have the Graveyard Girl palette. I really like that one, and I have the Believe in Yourself palette that I really like too. I just want more color. I know they have those like single shadows that are beautiful, but they're expensive, so I don't own any of those. I just can't justify spending the same amount on one shadow that I would spend on a palette. So I don't own those, but definitely wouldn't mind owning them. Okay, so there's the first shade down. I don't really know what I want to put on the lid. I think I'm going to stay very neutral just because obviously I don't have a choice. But let's do this like silvery color, I think. I think that's what I want to do. Except for I don't think I have any like clean brushes that'll be good for this, but we'll try this one. This is actually a Tarte brush. This is the brush from the Graveyard Girl palette. Oh yeah, that actually worked pretty nicely. So it's definitely a more pewter shade, but it's still pretty. Maybe I should have went with something a little warmer. Yeah, I'm gonna take the gold shade in here. That shade, by the way, was called Wave. Now I'm gonna pick up Mermaid, which is a more gold shade, on the same brush, and I'm just gonna go over top of that and kind of mix them together. Kind of like a mixed metal kind of look. That's what I'm going for with that. Almost a duochrome sort of thing. Yeah, that's going. Okay, I like that. Yeah, okay. Now, let's just take the same fluffy brush. I'm gonna go back in with that shade Cove and go in the crease one more time, just a couple passes on each side. And then I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna go into Reef, the darkest brown in here. Well, actually, is the shade even brown or is that like a purple? Yeah, no, that's brown. We're gonna go into Abyss, which is actually the darkest brown in here. And I'm gonna put that on the outer corner. Using this fluffy brush, so it's not really like super precise, it's more just kind of fluffy and blown out, which is what I'm going for with this because it's a very natural look, very natural eye today. I don't dislike this palette, like it's nice, the quality's good. It's just again kind of boring for me, but I don't know. I'm sure a lot of people like this palette. A lot of people are probably excited about the boring palette. I'm just weird. But I can definitely see my mom loving this palette, so I'll probably wind up giving it to her. I'm going to take the other side of this brush and I'm going to mix in Reef and Abyss, these two dark brown shades here, and run that along the lower lash line. I feel like Reef definitely showed up more than Abyss. It's okay. Okay, now I want a brow bone and inner corner highlight. I'm going to use, this won't even show up shimmery. No, that's a matte shade. So I'm gonna take Seashell, the light pink shade. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner and on the brow bone. So the pinky inner corner highlight. It's fine, my actual face highlight is purple today, so we will make it work. Okay, so that is the very simple eye look today. So I like it. It turned out really pretty. Again, it's just not my cup of tea. But let me throw on some mascara right quick and then I will set the face and we'll move on to the last product in the box. I do really like the mirror on here as well. Like, it's a nice sized mirror. It's the size of this. So I definitely like that. It would be really good for traveling, because it is a nice mirror and it's still handheld, so it's not like huge and bulky. And I love the circular palettes. Like, I know they're not really practical for storing, but I do really like them. I like the shape and the way they look. I'm using the Ciate Wonderland mascara if you're curious. Not my favorite, but it is still nice. I might wind up putting another mascara over top of it. We'll see. Just because I feel like this one's like a good, I don't know, like a good base. But then I want a little more like va-va-voom than this. But I like this because it separates the lashes really nicely and gives them a good length. Not that you guys care because this video is not about this mascara, but you know, it's always good to find mascara that you like. So not my favorite mascara, but I like it, and it was what I had handy, so that's what we're going for. It is more on the natural side, which I think goes well with this look, so there's that. Okay, last product in the box is actually what I'm most excited for in this box, and that is this guy right here. This is by Ofra. This is actually the first thing that I have in Ofra's new packaging, and this is Miami Fever, which is a collaboration with Kathleen Lights here on YouTube. And I'm super excited because I love Kathleen Lights. She's one of my favorite YouTubers actually, and I don't own this, so I'm super excited to have it now. And yeah, let's see if they still smell the same. Oh God, yes, they still smell so great. So I'm going to apply this to the lips now. I'm not even gonna bother to swatch it. Oh, so pretty. It's like a pumpkin-y orange color. Almost a terracotta. It definitely gives me pumpkin vibes. It's very fall appropriate, even though it's not fall anymore. Okay, I really like this lip color. I know Ofra's formula is amazing. I don't think they changed the formula. I'm pretty sure they just changed the packaging, but I really, really like their formula. It's drying, but not like super overly drying. Like it's still comfortable to wear, but they last all day and they're so beautiful. And they never quite like get that like sticky feeling. They're always just kind of like, I can do that just fine. It's gonna dry down. They are not completely dry. I of course got some on my teeth. Cute, but yeah, I really like this shade. I'm not quite sure that it's my shade, but I do like it. I think it's really pretty. It'd be very pretty on like a deeper skin tone. I feel like I say that in so many videos, but I do like it. I like the box this month. I'm not crazy about everything. The Rose Arco Milk is good. Like I like it. It's just not something that I'm like super stoked about because again, I get them like samples all the time. The palette is really pretty. I do like the formula, just not my favorite shades, but for somebody who likes neutral tones, this is an amazing palette. I do really like it. The brow product is kind of meh. Like I didn't love it, but I guess you guys can judge how bad my brows look and decide if that's something you want to try, because I suck at doing brows. So if you're better than me, I'm sure you'll probably have better luck with the product, but it is what it is. And the face masks, I'm super excited to try out because I love Tatcha products, at least the one that I've tried. And then this is definitely my favorite thing out of the box. I'm super excited to add this to my collection. You guys know, well, maybe you know, that I do love supporting other YouTubers and I love getting their collaborations. I have an entire drawer full of YouTuber collaboration eyeshadow palettes. So those are my favorite products. So super excited to add another one to those. But yeah, I will list everything down below along with the prices because I don't have them. I do think that everything this month was cruelty free though, which is amazing. I'm not sure about the brow products. I don't even know what I did with it. Let's see if it says on there. It does not say if it's cruelty free or not, so I'm not sure about this. But Tatcha, Tarte, Ofra, and Briogeo are all cruelty free, so that's amazing. I'm super excited about that. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. Let me know down below if there's any subscription services you want me to try out or what your favorite subscription service is. And yeah, don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next video.